to connect Huawei Watch Fit 4 with an iPhone, let me quickly show you how you can do this. So first of all, you will have to install the application called Huawei Health. So let's quickly go into the App Store, and from here you have to search for this application called Huawei Health. Let's get this one right here, and this is the Huawei Health application. Simply install it. After the installation is complete, make sure that you'll have this Bluetooth options right here enabled. Make sure that the Bluetooth is actually enabled, so there will be no problems actually with connecting this device. From here, let's open the Huawei Health application, and here you have to select your region. And if you are from United States, like for example, let me just quickly show you, as you are from United States and you'd like to use the application on the United States region, you'll be notified that the selected region doesn't support Huawei ID login, which makes some of these features unavailable. So if you want to have limited experience, you can actually leave this region like this, but I will actually recommend you to change this region to, like for example, United Kingdom, so, or any other region, like for example United Kingdom from here. And from here you are now able to use all of these functions and other stuff, all of these features of this device actually. So now let's press next, agree, and from here we are being asked if you want to receive notifications, so let's allow them real quick. And now we'll go for the devices. Let's go for the devices and add the device. And now we will have to log in into our account. We can either log in if we already have the account, or we can simply register. This process is pretty quick and simple. I will now register real quick. Alright, and as we are logged in and everything is fine, now let's press continue right here. And from here we have to press turn on all. So every single thing right here needs to be turned on. Press allow, and now everything is set up. I mean, we are logged in, and we have to go for the devices. And as you can see here, we have our watch and we have to reconnect to it. So let's press reconnect, and now let's quickly take a look. We need to select on our watch itself. We need to press English. We need to select our language, and here we have this code right here. So now we can set up this device. Let's allow this application to use Bluetooth, and this should like reconnect in a moment. Alright, it is searching for the device, and as you can see, now we have this pairing request right here, and you can accept it right here. And this is basically how to connect your device. Let's press pair, connect your Huawei Watch Fit 4 with the iPhone. We have to once again accept everything that is right here. It is kind of like annoying to press all of these buttons, but yeah, the pairing is successful. And if it's not working for some reason, actually you'll have to set up this all of this right here manually. So yeah, that's basically how you can do this. Thank you for watching.